Welcome to the Resto-Rob channel. Today I'm going to clean up some sockets. First I had to come into work and shovel some snow, make sure that some of our guests can get in and out. I'm a maintenance guy at a hotel. So as soon as I get home, I'm going to be working on this video, well, loading up this video for you. It's on sockets. I found a bunch of rusty sockets and I'm going to show you how you can clean them up and put them back into service. So sit back and enjoy how I bring these sockets new life. I will take these rusty sockets and give them a quick bath with some soap and water and get some of the dirt and grease off of them. Then I will give them a bath in Evap-O-Rust overnight, and that will get the rust on the insides and outsides and make it easier for me to sand smooth. Once they've been removed from the Evap-O-Rust, I'll put them into a impact driver or a drill, and then use an adapter bit from 1/4 inch, 3/8 to 1/2 inch, and then I will just kick them on, and using sandpaper from 100 grit to about 1,000 grit will sand the exterior of the socket smooth. For the interior of the socket, I will use a variety of different metal brushes. These brushes are generally used in the plumbing area to clean pipe, but I found that they work pretty good for cleaning out the inside of the sockets. I will also use, for the 1/4 inch smaller sockets, gun barrel cleaning brushes. Once all the rust and everything is shined up, I will then polish everything down. This time I'm using flits, and then once that is done, I will use some Johnson paste wax to preserve the metal and keep it from rusting again. So hopefully this little tutorial has helped out, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Hopefully you enjoyed that restoration of those vintage sockets. I'm always finding rusty old tools and bringing them back to life. So hopefully you enjoyed what you saw. Please like and subscribe. Leave comments. Follow me on Instagram. Watch that video, subscribe to that guy. Thanks for watching.